Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can create the developer account in Okta. So here I'm in the page like okta.com/free trial/customer identity, and here they have mentioned that Okta for developers, and try Okta for free to see how you can build and how you in this account with the functionalities are unlimited, and you can use it, but the limitations are um, mentioned here. So if you are not going to have a production Okta account, but you want to play around what are the features and how you can configure, definitely you can go with this uh, free developer account. And for the email, even though they mentioned work email, you can provide any email address and they will allow you to log in. Now I'm going to show you how you can create the account. So here I'm using the Mailinator account to create, and the first name Okta dev test and country, and agree their terms and conditions, clear the reCAPTCHA, get started. So it will take some time for you to create the account because they have to configure from their end to prepare your environment. Yep. This is the dedicated URL. For example, if you have your own domain, then you will get to configure it later. But since this is a free trial account, they will randomly generate a subdomain for you under okta.com, and you are free to log in and play around. So here I will show you how it will. Here it is asking for username and password, and which we haven't created yet. And here they have mentioned like confirmation email has been sent, and we have to uh, verify the account first and create the password there. So since I use the Mailinator account, I'm going here, and yes, they have already sent my welcome email with the activate link, and by clicking on this I will activate my particular Okta domain. Here they have mentioned the domain, activate. Yeah, here you can create your password. Yep, here you see your own free developer account, and when you see the options like you have the full access to control and enjoy all the functionalities, and I will show you what is the permission you have to play around in this account. And here I will go security and administrators, and under security administrator you can see the Okta dev test as the super admin. This is the account I used to sign up. So this is the first user of this account, and he is a super admin, right? Assign. Yep. That's all how you can create the Okta developer account. And in the future, I will show you how you can play around or configure certain values, or how you can use the Okta to configure it to be used in your organization. Thank you so much.